Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad K. Sangma Hakandriu Terik Leber, ulaong bana kaliang ke sorkar kapun pausyai bahkan ailad setia ya kinu kikam dawa pisa beain, jong keseng New Trap National Liberation Council HNLC, kendang yai peteng hapok Kejela. Habakren syakilat pathai kubor usangma ulaong, hadin bahkan ni kamat kalapoi syakajingya kren, ngila penlong ya kejingya lang hakini kikindiat tayo balala, ngamla bania tu bnia halor kani kajian lang henry ngila petha ya ketenat kulit bahkan ya syakman bat le ke badan kam ban penti kena bakum kini ki kam beain kim dei setia ban wan jashu nang ne syakman ula ong ru da ka bapudishong nang rem halor kani ki bor pulit kila le ya kala ka jong ka kamram kila ya syakman bat pinyo i ya kini ki kam dawa pisa kila jah ki por ki beladep kila pau perthei bat wat ki breu kila ban ya tu api ho oi ki don shibut ki kam ki badai ban le henry ki sin jam ki bapura kila ya syakman UCM ula ong ru mentangi ladon hapadeng kakam bat ngin penti kena ban persangi mardor yaki bakum kini ki kam dawa pisa beain bat on omdor ki nong shong shnong ki jongi ki ban syak ta leng ba kani kakam beain la ban kedau badang shen ki pulit kila yok ban kiamno ya PSO jong keseng HNLC na kanong ba shilong ha ka ba kila kamru baleng ba kapun ke jong u ka ba kila yok kurup kila lap ya kisah satar halor ki kam dawa pisa beain na ki babun ngot ki breu halor ka jingkeli UCM ulaong hoot ka day ka jing shisha ngilapan pausyay siya kaseng HNLC haki babun tali ki jing akren leng bakik siang balada ki don shisha ya ka jing angnun haka baya day bat ka jing akren kumtaru ka day ban pensange e ki bakum kini ki kambean namar ki ladon teng ru ki jingja ki bala jadang shen ru ya ki bangam kwa ban ya thu benya Henry wat la kata ngiladap ban yakren bat ki haki por ki baladap bat mentaru ngiyai ban bakat bang ngidang don hakalenti ban penyak syakmat ya kajing yakren yasuk ki bakum kini ki kambean ki de ban sange no shisendon hakabaya de bat kajing tumu ban penki imbiang ya kakenhun king atiar GNLA Hagaro Hills nakaliang UCM ulaong bakila don laingut ki breu kila syak kem no bat menta ki pulit kedang penlong kajing bethong ban yok kem saya laingut ki wipat kata da kabati kenaru basyan on sayok kem no yaki.
But we are very clear that no illegal activity in this form will be tolerated, and hence when this issue had come up to us, we had a very prompt meeting. A few weeks back, I don't want to go into details. It was a very closed door meeting, and we had given instructions to the police to go ahead and do what it takes to ensure that these kind of activities don't take place. And based on that, the police has done its duty. They're moving forward, and you will see that the extortion cases which were there in the past, it is coming down. Even the people will tell you. Of course, there is much more work to be done, but full efforts are on. But we are now on the job, and we will ensure that this thing completely stops. Number one, and none of our citizens should be affected by this. Number two, of course, we have made it very clear to the HNLC in multiple discussions through our interlocutor at that point in time that if they are serious about the talks, then all these other activities should stop, because there were certain things that are happening earlier also. I don't want to go into details, but you're very correct. We have already discussed with them in the past also, and now also we reiterate that while we are working and moving towards peace talks and making efforts from all angles, these kind of activities must stop. This will always be there. If there are no challenges, then there is no work. So incidents will happen. It's a part of process, society, governance, whatever you may call it. And so there's never going to be a situation where challenges will not be there. Not just for our government, for any government for the matter of fact. What is important is to be able to take corrective measures and actions to put things in place. And whether it is the regrouping that you're mentioning, 3 people have been arrested and 3 more are, we'll look out for 3 more of them, which we are very sure we'll be able to catch them. Overall law and order situation, if you look at it, has been peaceful. The incidents have been there, sporadic incidents have been there, there's no doubt about it. But these happen because we are living in a very complex society with many different complications that are there. But as I said, what is important is to be able to maintain the overall balance and to be able to maintain the overall law and order situation, which we see that in the past many years, despite of many challenges, we've still been able to large extent maintain the law and order in the state.